Hi guys, welcome back to part 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Mum, can you get me my sandals?
Yeah, Dad, thanks, David. Yeah. Show Matt your nails. Look, Matt. Look at my nails. You ain't got to get them that close. You don't want snowy feet.
Who's done them? Who's done them?
Mum.
Look, show Matt your hat. Look, Matt. Look at a cool hat.
I don't want my hat on.
Yeah. I've got to go and take these habits.
Do you think now? You got any last words, John? You look like you're fucking going to pass out.
I am. What time do you want me to get a party then?
4 o'clock?
4 o'clock. Okay.
Is Grandad allowed to come?
No.
No one else is allowed. You have to wait. Yeah. Oh my god,
Why, your granddad won?
I want it.
Why, Granddad won.
What time do you want me to get a party?
What?
What time do you want me to get a party?
Hey, June.
4 o'clock.
Yeah, in the afternoon.
In the afternoon.
She's coming.
No.
Yeah. Oh, no, mate,
It's
don't
4
come.
o'clock. Coming.
Talking to her.
No one else is coming. There's only 34 people allowed.
Only 34 people are allowed.
Yes, it's on. It's on Bouncy Castle. 5 seconds. I love
He was wise or something.
Why? What kind of time do you party?
I love. What's the matter? I don't want to go.
All three of them now.
My house. So that's the baby toilet.
And then they've still got like Johnson and Diaz.
It's for the mom.
I think it's funny they don't want to be there.
Why?
I look funny.
It's true.
Wait.
You better go tell Katie, mate. Go on. Go back. Go round, go all the way round.
Tilly, can you be an island stapler?
We've got to go now. We've got to go and get the whole...
No, you're coming to us.
Well, you'll see them in the morning.
Oh,
You will.
I want to go now. I want to go
You can't
now.
go to Keely's tonight. She's got to go and do her horses.
Oh, can I go home now?
Oh, we will do soon,
No,
yeah.
no.
They're not going yet.
Now.
They're not going yet.
They are.
Look, they ain't got up. We'll go when they go, yeah? Is that
When
a deal?
they go, we will go.
Alright, Granddad wants you.
What?
Granddad wants you. Go
What?
and talk to you.
4 o'clock? Where is it?
Is that Robert Clack?
Where?
Robert Clack Leisure Centre.
Tell him.
Is that Robert Clack Leisure Centre?
I'll be there at 4 o'clock.
What? You're not invited. 34 people are only allowed. 35. No, only 35 people allowed. No. 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 No one else is allowed. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Keely, where are we going? Keely, I don't know where we're going. I know. Swimming? Wait, I didn't want to know. So, where are we going then? What? Huh? Can you tell us in the morning? Can you tell us in the morning? Can you tell us in the morning? I bet it's Legoland. What are you saying? Yay, bye-bye.
You want to bite everyone?
Oi.
You want to bite everyone? Why? Leave that. What do you want to be stupid for? Why is it not? He's got a strangle me. Then he'll be stupid. Why didn't it bring up? I think it's in the mom. My man bag it. You want to say bye everyone? Don't we need to say bye? Go say bye now. Go on. Go on. Say bye. I love you when you say bye. Come on. Go and say bye. You got to say bye everyone. Come on. Say bye. Say bye. Guys, I'm going home. Can I have it now, Seb? No.
Oh no. Now you can fill it up.
That's alright, we'll fill it up.
You can fill it up. Done that.
We'll fill it up.
I'll go and fill it up right
I don't
now.
want washing up liquid.
No, washing up liquid's better than that stuff.
No, it's not.
No, washing up liquid is better
That
because
is.
that makes your eyes itch.
Oh.
Where's your water bottle? Can you find it for me?
Can we go to the shop?
Find your water bottle for me.
I don't.
Have a look for it.
I don't
Look, water bottle
know.
hunt. Wow, let's have a look. Keep your eyes open, put your binoculars on.
Mum,
Have a look.
where's my?
What are you looking for?
What are you looking for? No, they've got the other two.
The water bottle.
Oh, the water bottle. Did you have it in the book?
I'm going home. I'm going home.
You're going home? Why are you going home? Not yet.
Yeah, we were in a minute.
Right, I don't want you to go home. I want you to stay. Why do you want to go home?
Wednesday, because Mum said Evie and I are going to go home the same as us.
Oh, soon.
We'll go home in a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, but let's just sort our stuff out.
Don't you want to play with Seb or someone someone to play with though. Were you playing with Sebastian with for me?
Mum, please. I don't want to sit here all day. What?
Don't give Nanny a kiss then.
I did.
No, you didn't.
I did.
And Grandad and Johnny.
I did.
You've got to say bye to everyone.
Going home.
Oh, you ain't. Oh, come on. Getting home, still on the stage. Who's vehicle?
I'm coming to your party.
Yeah.
I'm going home when Evie and I are.
Oh, you're going on because Evie and I like. And you've got to go round there tomorrow, ain't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, boy.
Hey!
You need to say bye to Seb.
Say bye to John.
Bye, Seb.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. I'll see you. What's your birthday today?
You're not coming to my party.
I ain't.
You're not.
Why not?
You can't come.
You alright?
Mum said I'll have to go home.
What? Mum said you have to?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
It's my water up here.
I don't know. Have a look. Take your shoes off.
I'll quickly do it. Where the fume? Guys, I'm home. It's part 4. I'm going home in part 4.
Yeah, it should be on there. But they have to be specific.
Yeah,
Everything has to be
but I
specific.
said
It can't be like maybe on
No.
this day. It has to be a time and a day. See you later, Ryan. Alright, Charlie. No, I did.
George, see you later, mate. Bye. George, go and say bye to everybody.